how to fix HeyGen Voice Clone not working. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to discuss if the voice clone feature isn't working, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you're trying to basically clone your voice within HeyGen and it's not working, so let's say you're trying to create your avatar and within it you're trying to record a sample of your voice. Make sure to use the voice doctor or enhanced voice tool to adjust engines and descriptions or re-record a clean 30 to 60 second sample without background noise, or fine-tune speed and volume sliders in the audio settings. If the application has limited feature, what I'd recommend you do is you open your browser and you simply go to HeyGen from your browser by going to heygen.ai or heygen.com, and from here you can find much more comprehensive options in this case. But this way you can fix voice clone not working. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.